Okay, here's what it's like here. It's exhausting work sanding overhead with that dual mode orbital, but it's important work and it's very satisfying to finally get these areas filled in with the fairing compound and start seeing the hull come back together. And honestly, it's looking better than I kind of even imagined would be at this point. I'm making it look like it's almost like body work here as far as the smoothness is concerned. Got all the electrolysis divots filled in, and it's not going to be perfect, and it's honestly pretty challenging to know where to draw the line on this, because I could spend weeks in here. It's comfortable, it's warm. Every time I put another coat on and sand it off, the boat gets smoother and more perfect, I guess. But perfection's a nice goal, but realistically, this is the bottom of a boat that even I'm hardly ever going to see again, hopefully. So mainly my goal is to try and get this thing clean.